Ford Motor Company, the 2007 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 convertible, triple black, one owner, clean Carfax, actual miles of just over 8,000 is all in this beauty. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front fascia, grille, splitter. This vehicle will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan that may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can call in at 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. Over 100 pictures of this vehicle online. Undersides, interior, engine bay, trunk. Of course, the SVT wheels, correct rims on this one, Brembo brakes. 500 horsepower, 5.4 liter, dual overhead cam, supercharged, V8 underneath the hood, 6-speed manual transmission, of course leather bucket seats, does have the Shaker 500 stereo system. We'll run the convertible top up here at the end, let you check that out. It is black cloth, as I mentioned earlier before, with the triple black. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation also. You can see the window sticker in the still pictures, so you can see exactly how this car is equipped. Also want to mention, these are the original tires. And before the tire police get on me on YouTube, we leave those on there because you know what? The next owner may want the original rubber on this car. The other thing I like about it is you can take a look at those rear tires and see how this car's been driven. There's a lot of tread left on those tires, considering the horsepower that this car has and sometimes how these cars are treated, you might say. I know people that have been through 2 sets of tires in 8,000 miles the way they drive them. And once again, those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, that's going to take you right there. You can see that it does have the parade boot or the convertible top cover in the back. That'll also go with it. Of course, your modern amenities, power windows, power locks, tilt and cruise, power seat over here on the driver's side. That is working. This will be for the bolster. Power steering, power brakes, and AC, of course. AC blows cold. Does have a driver's information center also. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. We're going to take a look at the engine bay. We're also going to put the top up, take a look at that. Stereo's in working order. 6 CD changer. I did mention the Shaker 500 system. 8,082.6 miles. No check engine lights. Service engine soon, anything like that on. See, the tack is working. Sounds good. Top of the dash, good shape. I'll slip around to the back of this thing here. Run. Nice deep throaty exhaust. Good sounding cars. I'm going to slip up to the front. I want to pop this hood, take a look underneath it, and check out that engine bay. We'll put the top up, wrap this video up. There's a look at the underside of the hood. Hood liner, heat extractor hood. There it is. 5.4 liter supercharged. Of course, the special vehicle team have their signatures on a little placard on there. Sounds good, looks good. I haven't noticed any modifications to it. All stock, and remember, one owner, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, a little over 8,000 miles. All right, I'm going to pause this one last time. Let's run this convertible top up, check that out, we'll wrap up this video. And here's a look with the top up. So cloth, black top, nice fit above the windshield. Power top functions as it should. Considering the miles and the age of the car, it's what you'd expect. No rips, tears, holes, doesn't hardly look like it's been used. which I can say I don't blame the previous owner. Have the top down on it too. Glass rear window, rear defrost, as you can see. Not that you're probably going to need that a whole lot. There it is, 2007 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500, just a little over 8,000 miles is all. And remember, it's going to come with that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. Maybe extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in, and you can do that at 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures, see the underside, engine bay, interior. And of course, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 2007 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500. Looking good in black. Black inside, black outside. This is a 6-speed manual. Shifter on the center console, of course. Lots of power in this car. Lots of fun to drive. Easy to drive. All the modern conveniences. Leather bucket seats. All the gauges are working. Temperature is almost at half. Oil pressure a little over half. Fuel gauge showing over a quarter. Factory tachometer working. This odometer is showing 8,084 miles. Feels like a new Mustang. Air conditioning working well. Stereo also working well. Brakes work well. This is a convertible, if I had not mentioned that, and the top is currently down. Awesome for summer drives. Always fun to shift that manual transmission. Take a look at all the details and all the pictures at UniqueClassicCars.com.